taken out everyone aboard and...
What's wrong?
What in the world?
Come in. Over.
Freeze! What do you think you're doing? Get that hedgehog!
Talk about low-budget flights, no food or movies. I'm out of here. I like running better. What?
It all starts with this.
Shadow! What is...
No move! Stay where you are! Keep your hands up in the air!
That makes it very powerful.
What the?
What? Please!
I did that to prevent the Master Emerald from being stolen, you idiot. If it's in pieces, I can restore it. And by the way, that's not your emerald.
I'll look into it once I get back to the base.
I despise anyone who takes jewels from me. All the world's gems are mine to keep.
Yeah, we'll see about that, Batgirl.
Don't you know it's dangerous here?
I know, but I'm here to save my hero, Sonic.
Again?
Hurry! I know Eggman's up to no good again. If I tell ya, will you marry me?
No way!
I thought I had you this time. Wait for me, Sonic! He's such a brat sometimes.
Hey, that's...
That blue hedgehog again, of all places.
I found you! Faker!
Faker? I think you're the fake hedgehog around here. You're comparing yourself to me?
Sheesh. There always seems to be a lot of police around when you don't need them. Tails, any news yet?
Knuckles!
Hey guys, long time no see.
No way! Eggman Empire. Yeah, right. Okay, let's move it!
Wait up, Sonic!
Hey, you,
Mr.
wait!
President.
Inside that pyramid?
I saw Eggman go inside the pyramid. And more importantly, I saw that Batgirl go inside with him as well.
That egghead sure loves mechanical things, doesn't he? I bet he has one or two spaceships lying around here somewhere. Right, Knuckles?
What? Why do I have to find the key?
We're counting on you, buddy.
That was pretty rough.
We did it! Let's go, Amy!
Yeah!
Just leave it to me. What the?
Is everyone all right? We should be landing soon.
The hatch doors are
Don't
open.
sweat it, Knuckles. The only thing in the cargo bay are those
What do you
Master
mean, don't
Emeralds.
sweat it?
Right?
Land the shuttle and let me
I'm
out.
gonna crash this thing if you keep that up. Oh no! Don't touch that lever! What's up with that knucklehead anyway? He's trying to take over the shuttle. I thought we were toast for sure. Huh? Where did he go now?
Looks like he bailed.
I hate you! You guys always leave me behind and have all the fun!
Saving my life. Don't think I owe you one. You just wanted to hold my hand, didn't you? That's why you saved me. You're such a creep.
This isn't a joke, you know. Think what you want, Batgirl. I was saving the Master Emerald.
Fine, then just take them. They stink like echidnas do.
If that's what you thought, you should have given me them in the first place.
What?
I'm sorry.
You've turned into a big-time villain, Doctor.
You never cease to surprise me, Blue Hedgehog. I thought that capsule you were in exploded in
You know,
space.
what can I say? I die hard.
What are you, anyway?
What you see is what you get. Just a guy who loves adventure. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog.
I see. But you know, let you live.